times on the walk when I thought, this is bonkers. The air was getting thinner. Each step we were taking was getting harder and harder.
It's one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life.
I don't think we really knew how hard it was going to be.
Yeah, it was a dark time, but also one of those uplifting moments that when you get there and you realise what you've all overcome.
It'd be great to go home with a Guinness record, having won the game as well, wouldn't it?
This is the end of an epic journey, right? The icing on the cake now. Chance to set Guinness World Record, 6,330 metres up in the air. Three cheers to Rugby!